Welcome to Decorate Your Life, where beautiful paper, vintage style, and creative possibilities come together. Today, we're taking a flip-through journey inside Plans and Possibilities, a romantic, vintage-inspired printable collection created for planners, journal lovers, and memory keepers alike. If you love soft colors, elegant details, and timeless designs, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe for more creative inspiration, tutorials, and beautiful and unique paper collections. And as you'll see, this collection isn't just for planning. The possibilities truly are endless. Welcome to Plans and Possibilities, a romantic, vintage-inspired, undated digital planner kit created for dreamers, writers, journal lovers, and anyone who finds peace in beautiful paper planning. This printable planner set was designed for those who love a soft, timeless aesthetic. Gentle pastels, antique textures, delicate florals, and classic Victorian portraits that invite you to slow down, reflect, and plan with intention. Because this is an undated digital planner, you can begin at any time of the year. The pages are fully resizable, allowing you to print in letter size, personal size, or any format that fits your notebook and craft projects. Whether you're organizing your daily life, setting monthly goals, or creating a handcrafted planner to sell at a craft fair, this kit offers both flexibility and elegance. Inside the Plans and Possibilities planner, you'll find 10 beautifully coordinated pages, including a front and back cover, yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily planning sheets, and a special notes page titled Reflections and Intentions. Each page is provided in high-resolution 300 dpi, making them perfect for home printing or professional print shops. This romantic digital planner is ideal for memory keeping, journaling, goal setting, and mindful planning. It's also created for small handmade businesses who craft physical planners and want a cohesive, vintage look their customers will fall in love with. Plans and Possibilities is more than a printable planner. It's an invitation to create a calmer, more intentional life, one beautiful page at a time.